Oh, hello again. Here we are. I've got Chris loading my car up because, you know, he's helpful as shit. Say hi, Chris.
Hi, Chris.
Oh, don't say, all right, that's fine. I forgot my coffee. It's unlocked. I'm gonna go get my coffee because, as you guys know, we were up kind of late last night filming a little bit of this in-studio bit. Oh, I locked Chris out of the car. Maybe I'm not fully awake. Maybe my brain doesn't work as well as I thought it did with lack of sleep. But I forgot my coffee. Let's go get the coffee. Okay, so let's figure out where I'm gonna set the camera. I'll probably want to pull stuff out just a touch. So there's those lights. Yeah, how does this bad boy turn on?
1, 2, so third notch is all 3.
So that's fine. I like that there.
Okay.
Oh my heck. We're gonna have to go back. I forgot the base.
Ah!
I have to go get the base guitar. That's okay, I'll get set up and then we'll go get Luckily, my house is literally like, I could walk there in 10 minutes from where we are.
Well, don't you say you take your one wheel down to the store?
I broke the one wheel down here before. It's been kind of fun. But it's not possible we have.
Not with all that equipment, no.
There's a video where I had this, like I first got the one wheel and I had like the DJI that you're filming with, like not that one because it died.
Mm-hmm.
Rest in peace. But I like totally ate shit on the one wheel. Maybe we'll cut that into here, but I just crashed hard. I got it on camera still. I saved it. We're gonna
Setting up this cutscene for years now.
That's what you guys get to watch while we set this up. So you watch me wipe out on a one wheel, and when we get back, we'll have some grip equipment and the cameras kind of set up in place, and then we'll go get the base.
Okay.
All good. Thank you. Hell yeah. Okay. First wipeout. That was a good one. Okay. Checking the window, I might have fucked it up. Fuck me, I think I broke